Iran is working on advanced uranium centrifuges at new underground sites being built near its nuclear plant, Israel's defense minister said on Tuesday, giving figures that appear to go beyond those published by a UN watchdog. Centrifuges are used to purify uranium for civilian projects or, at higher levels, to make bomb fuel. Iranian progress in the field is being watched by world powers trying to resurrect a nuclear deal with Tehran, which denies having military designs. Iran is making an effort to complete the manufacturing and installation of 1,000 additional advanced I.R.6 centrifuges in its nuclear facilities, including new facilities being built at underground sites, Defense Minister said in a speech at Reichman University near Tel Aviv. A March 3 report by the UN International Atomic Energy Agency said Iran had installed or planned to install a total of 3 IR-6 cascades, amounting to around 660 machines. In his remarks, Defense Minister alluded to Israel's long-standing threat to take military action if it deems diplomacy is at a dead end to deny its archenemy the means to make nuclear weapons.